Good morning students. Today we study chapter 4 division of fraction. The last part of this chapter. What do you mean division? The fraction two numbers we multiplicate, the product of two number is 1 is the answer. That means reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. For example, what is the 3 by 4? Then what is the reciprocal of 3 by 4? That is multiply by 4 by 3. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. This fraction, the inverse of 3 by 4. That is, we cut this 1 1, this cut 1 1. Our answer is 1. The product of two fraction is 1. That is called reciprocal. Understand you? The product of two fraction is 1. That is called reciprocal. We divide a whole number into a fraction. First we find the reciprocal of divisor. That is 12 divided by 1 by 4. For example, 12 divide 1 by 4. First you write, there is no denominator here, you put 1. Okay. Then 12 upon 1 multiply 4 upon 1. Reciprocal of divisor. This is our divisor. Reciprocal means multiplicative inverse. This sign is also come in multiply sign. Then this the inverse of 1 by 4. Then you check any common factor here. This is cut here. No, there is no common factor here. Then you multiply this 48 upon numerator and numerator, then denominator and denominator. Then answer is 48. Understand? What is the reciprocal of a whole number? What is the reciprocal of whole number? 13. What is the reciprocal of 13? You put, there is no denominator here, you put 1, then the reciprocal of 13 is 1 by 13. Okay. What is the reciprocal of 4? Reciprocal 4 is multiply 1 by 4. Then what is the reciprocal of 15? 1 by 15. Understand? Then what is the reciprocal of proper fraction? The reciprocal of a proper fraction is always improper fraction. That is 3 by 8. Which fraction is this? Proper fraction. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 8? What is the reciprocal? Into 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is the improper fraction. Then, what is the reciprocal of improper fraction? The reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. For example, 4 by 15. What is the 15 by 4. What is the reciprocal of 15 by 4? Multiply 4 by 15. The reciprocal of improper fraction is proper fraction. Understand you? Then what is the reciprocal of mixed fraction? What is the reciprocal of mixed fraction? 3 1 by 4. First you convert mixed into improper. First you convert mixed into improper. 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 4. Now the reciprocal of 13 by 4 into 4 by 13. Understand you? One more example. 7 3 by 8. First you convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Again 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 3 59 upon 8. Now you the reciprocal of 59 by 8. 8 by 59. Understand you? Yes. Now divide the following. Divide. Yes. 15 divided by 3 by 5. Okay. We divide a fraction. First we find the reciprocal of divisor. First we find the reciprocal of divisor. Then 15, then which the reciprocal of 3 by 15. This multiply 5 upon 3. Now which rule you follow? Multiplication rule. Now this number is in multiplication. Okay. Then you put here 1. Then any common factor is here? Yes, 3 is the common factor of 3 and 15. The table of 3, how many times gone in 3? 1 times here 5. Now you multiply 5 5 ja 25 or 1 1 ja 1 is equal to 25. Understand you? Then next question. 15 upon 18 divide 3 upon 6. Listen. A fraction divided by fraction. Okay. First you find the reciprocal of 3 by 6. First you find the reciprocal of 3 by 6. 15 by 18 multiply 6 by 3. Understand? We divide a fraction. First we find the reciprocal of divisor. This is our divisor. Then 15 by 18 multiply 6 by 3. The reciprocal of 3 by 6 is 6 by 3. Now we follow the multiplication rule. First you check any common factor here. Yes. The common factor of 6 and 18 is 6. Here also 15 and 18 the common factor is 3. Here also 3 is the common factor of 3 and 6. Anyway you cut this. Okay. Then first we cut 6 and 18. Which table go? In both number 6. 6 the table of 6 how many times come? Here 1, here 3. Then 15 and 3 or this 15 and this 3. The common factor of 15 and 3 is 3. This 3 one time, here 5. Then again you check any common factor is here? No. First then you multiply 5 multiply 1, then 3 multiply 1. Then 5 1 ja 5, then 3 1 ja 3. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. Then you convert improper into mixed fraction is equal to 1, 2 by 3. Understand? Then one more question. How to divide a mixed fraction into a mixed fraction? 3 1 by 4 divide 5 1 by 4. Sorry. Yes. First you convert mixed into improper. First you convert mixed into improper. Then 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 1 13 upon 4 divide 20, 21 upon 4. First step our convert mixed into improper. Now next step reciprocal of divisor. Reciprocal of divisor. Then 13 upon 4 multiply 4 upon 21. Okay. Reciprocal of divisor, that is 21 upon 4. Then we follow the which rule? Multiplication. Any common factor is here? Yes, 4 and 4. This is 4. This cut 1, this cut 1. Any common factor again you check? No. Then you multiply 13 multiply 1 upon 1 multiply 21. Then 13 1 ja 13, 21 1 ja 20. Understand? One more question. Eight 1 by 3 divide 6 1 by 5. Now, first step convert mixed into improper. 24 25 upon 3 divide 31 upon 5. Next step find the reciprocal. Okay. 25 upon 3 multiply reciprocal of this part 31 upon 5. Then 5 upon 31. Okay. Then now any common factor is here? No. This 5, this is both are numerator. You don't cut this way. Okay. There is no common factor. Then next step you multiply 25 multiply 5, then 3 multiply 31. Then multiply this 125 upon 93. Which fraction is this? Improper fraction. Then you convert 1 132 upon 93. Then how to solve the problem? Solving problems, word problems. The cost of 12 pence rupees 24 1 by 2. Find the cost of 1 pen. Read the question. The cost of 12 pence rupees 24 1 by 2. Find the cost of 1 pen. First we read. Many given, 1 find. What do? divide. Okay, first statement solution. The cost of 12 pence rupees 24 1 by 2. Next, the cost of 1 pen is equal to, first come in, rupees come in first, okay, rupees 24 1 by 2 divide 12. Then first you convert mixed into improper. Then upon 2 divide 12. Then we divide by a fraction by whole number. What do you do? Reciprocal. Then 49 upon 2 multiply 1 by 12. Okay. Now we multiply this 49. You don't, you put here 1. 49 1 ja 49, then 24. Which fraction is this? Improper. Then you convert 1 to 1 by 24. Okay. What is the cost of in final answer? The cost of 1 pen is rupees 2 1 by 24. Understand this? Then you do this homework in notebook. Okay, thank you.